Have our hurricane coming, and we went and we did a bunch of stuff here in our apartment. And let's see if I can flip this over. Anyway, we moved a bunch of our stuff in from outside. We turned a bunch of our stuff off, and we moved a bunch of stuff over and got ready for everything. So in case our apartment gets wet inside, this is what we did. So hopefully none of the water will come in from outside. Just so you guys take a look. If you look outside, you'll see that there's already water out there. So we'll see what happens. So like I said, I just thought I'd let you guys know. Talk to you guys later.